Let's say that you arrive in Japan and you want to enjoy the car culture, but you don't know where to start. You can check all the events from Japan for free, and we attend Fuji Speedway Super Formula to discover if it's worth it as a car guy to visit or not. This event costs only 1000 yens, and just the parking itself is already like a car meet for many of us. Arriving to the Fuji Speedway, you always have to walk a lot, and normally you need to park super far away. Today, because it's a test, it's quite close. But in the parking, you always see this kind of crazy cars. Like, it's incredible. For Japanese people, it's normal, they see it every day. But for us, look this chaser. It's super clean car. And for us, it's just already worth to come here to visit in the circuit.
The weather is fantastic. It's super cloudy.
They are doing the laps.
Oh!
They are doing the laps here, yeah.
With the Hachiroku in the front?
Whoa, an Evo even. But the best part of going to the bands in Japan is that you can be really close to the action, just for few bucks. Must be super nice to be able to be driving as they are doing here. Now we are allowed to enter to the pit lane. So here in Japan is one of the best parts, really close to the super formulas, the cars driving at the same time. It's really possible to enjoy motorsport in Japan. In this event, the paddock opens and you can be talking to the drivers, watching the cars from really close. What are you doing here? What is this championship, this race here in Japan?
So here we are at Fuji for the Super Formula test, official test. Normally I'm a Super Formula Lights driver, but today I had the opportunity to test the car for the first time this morning and made it to P5.
Super Formula.
Yeah. It's really good
Must
car.
be so easy with the steering, no?
Yeah, much easier than the F3 for sure.
Because it's electric power,
yeah,
so
exactly.
you don't need muscle.
No, exactly.
It's just scary when you enter into one corner and you trust the aerodynamic, you know?
Yeah,
You say
exactly.
like,
You have to trust the
good
car,
luck.
otherwise it's not going to work.
Good luck. The best spot for watching the cars. It is as close as possible. We will show you my favorite place at the end of the video to enjoy the views at Fuji Speedway. During the test, they open this box, this area, for you to be able to enjoy the cars while they are driving, and you can be super close to them. So you don't need to be far away to enjoy the cars. すみません。サチャいらっしゃいますか？ないです。忙しいですね。お願いします。If you don't know about Tom's Racing, check out the other videos in our channel to discover them from inside. Why is this car so expensive? We are here at Tom's and we managed to enter and to know the fastest driver from Argentina, that is Sacha Fenestrat. What's the biggest difference in motorsport from Europe or America and here in Japan?
I really love Japanese racing, and the fans also are pretty incredible.
They are amazing. Like, everybody is waiting now for you to have a chance
even
to
on
be
a
able.
test, you know, in a test where nothing really happens. It's just we're driving.
This car has more than 500 horsepower. They are the closest one from Formula 1. The teams can choose to have Honda or Toyota engine. I really support Tom's as we work for them, helping growing internationally.
Very light, good power, good downforce, as I say, good tires. I think here in Fuji, compared to F1 when they tested here last year, we were only 3 seconds off, I think, from F1.
Entering to the pylon is for free and normally lasts 1 hour. On the next video, we're gonna be renting one car. Tom's has also cars for rent here to be able to drive inside Fuji Speedway. For all these cars, we're gonna see which one we can get, and we're gonna be driving inside the circuit, so make sure to don't miss the next video. Make sure to subscribe to see how we are driving these cars on Fuji Speedway. As you can see, it's everything empty. Normally on a race weekend, it's full of shops. It's a little bit boring in that side, I have to say. Now, let's show you the best views from Fuji Speedway that it's hiding inside this 5-star hotel with a car museum. The price for staying here is around $250 the night, but you can enter for free and enjoy the coffee area with these incredible views. If you want to see one of the best coffee cars in Japan, you can come to Fuji Speedway and you can see the views that you can have is amazing. Car driving, nice views, museum inside, you have everything in this hotel. Totally recommended. You can find many videos on YouTube talking about this incredible hotel. Answering the question if is it worth it to come on a test day, absolutely yes. You see the car super close, you enjoy a lot the motorsport culture, but I will prefer to come on a race weekend because you can enjoy more with the shops, the merchandising and everything. So if you want to come to the race, we have a website completely for free, putting all the events in Japan.